Still with me. Today is March 11, 2022. Okay, it's been a week, and now I would like always, make an update about my Ichimoku trading journal. I think it's better we go straight to our MT5, and you can take a look at your screen. New York Times is 4 and 21 early in the morning, and local time in my country now is 4 o'clock in the afternoon, 4:30, almost 4:30 in the afternoon. And today is Friday. Today is the last day of this week, and tomorrow the market will be closed. Okay, we just go straight to our MT5 and we will take a look what happened with my account. I will close position. We take a look. So basically this is the latest position that I have. If you watch my previous vlog, you can see that the remaining position that I have is only 3 positions, and this the position is Euro, New Zealand dollar, Pound sterling, Canadian dollar, and Pound sterling, New Zealand dollar. And for the moment, my position is putting profit 1,700 something, but in equity is 7,300 something. Margin level is 7,000. For me, this is a quite good number, because I would like to keep the margin level always above 5,000%. So I will break down every position that I have, and just for your information, I open the first position for the month of March. Can you imagine? On the position that I have, basically that is the position from February, and for the month of March I only open 1 position so far. Okay, let's go straight to the MT5 and take a look what happened to the Ichimoku for you. Okay, this is nothing. Okay, this is the Pound sterling, Canadian dollar. Pound sterling, Canadian dollar is floating profit around 300 points, or equivalent with $300. What you see now is this is a daily time frame, but if we break down to the smaller time frame, this is what is gonna be in the result. This is the 6-hour time frame, and this is the 12-hour time frames. This is the multiple time frame that I use, so I just put in the daily time frame, and this is the setup that I really like, because this is on the setup is line up the Chico span outside the cloud, then Kansen Johnson pointing downward, and all the candle is quite red. Okay, only have 2 green candle here. So this is floating $300, but if you can see, there's a support level here. Actually, I'm thinking to close this position, because if I take a look from the historical charting, this Pound sterling, Canadian dollar is not really having a good, what you call this, when the pair is trending, it's either bullish or bearish. The price range is not really big. If I take a look here, for example, you can see the chart actually quite messed up. You cannot see really the good strong bullish trend or bearish trend. Okay, I'm thinking I'm going to close this position maybe later in the night. Okay. There is someone calling me outside the house, so I think I will. Okay, so I continue again because I have some guests knocking the door of my house. Sorry, I continue again. So the next trade is this one. This one is pound sterling New Zealand dollar. I keep this trade. This is since 21st of February. So this one is, I think it's a week, more than a week, around 10 days. Yeah. Around 10 days, almost 2 weeks. And now still floating profit $777. Okay, next trade. So this is the latest trade that I made, and this one is I made 25th. Yeah, this one. This is pound sterling Danish kroner, and I made this one is on 9 of March. 9 of March is, that means 2 days ago. 2 days ago, you can see the red arrow here, and now still floating 28 pips or $28. The stop loss I will put around here. When the price touching the edge of the Kumo cloud, I will close the position. Okay, I didn't put any stop loss level here. I just do it by mental stop loss. That means I will not put the number on it, but when I feel that the price is already goes to the wrong direction, I will not hesitate to close it. Okay, this is still early. I just give some time for the price to move. Okay, this is the last open position that I had. This is a euro New Zealand dollar. For the moment, I'm floating profit 649. You can see here, this is the lowest candle. So it seems like the price try to retrace back up, but for the moment it's still remaining bearish. You can see yesterday the price is going down again, and hopefully the price will still going down. I hope this is only the temporary retracement before the price will go to the right direction that is going to strong bearish. So this, and next, this is Euro Canadian dollar, Euro Australian dollar, and this is a gold. If you see the gold is really try to make a new high. This is the new high. Can you see this? This is the candle. This one, this is the candle. Is August to August 2020, 2 years ago. It's amazing what the movement from the gold. But if you use Ichimoku, you can see if you open buy position here, this green candle, you will, this is the correct direction. You will be in the floating profit. There will gonna be handsome profit if you take in this candle, the green candle. Okay, next, this is the last pair in my watch list, Euro US dollar. That's it. Okay, that's it, and I don't have anything. I will make another recording maybe tonight before the market is closed, like always. And I think that's it for today. Thanks you for watching. Keep safe, keep healthy, and I'll see you for the next vlog. Thank you for watching.